It's us.
What's up, YouTube? It's your life today. Today I'm doing a vlog showing y'all what I do after school. And I'm gonna get y'all when I get to my destination. Alright, so right now, we got to the beach. My hoodie low-key tough. But right now, we at the beach. And I'm finna show y'all what we're doing. Alright, right now we at the beach. You know, beach.
What y'all trying to do?
Oh. What we doing today? Oh, we finna go get something to eat. We finna go get something to eat. But, boy, I haven't been. How long haven't you been to the beach for?
I've been to the beach a minute.
I haven't been to the beach since like last year or something.
The bros finna get us fucking eat.
They finna get in the water. This beach look nice. Oh wait, I can't go too close.
Me neither.
But this look good. And I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the place we eat it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we just got back. Turns out we didn't go out to eat. But this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.